I'm Pig Crony, owner of the pig business. These are the ghost trimmers. They work for me. These are the shareholders. They work with us. Our job is to operate the system as a cohesive unit. Our rock band is on tour. We have the Electric Scroll, which allows us to travel through portals into other dimensions. However, the sinister Serpent Healer has hired Shadows of the Creek to steal our scroll and plan to destroy our business. Nobody can stop the Dimension Wars. This is Crowd Noises.
You two men have invaded our castle. And now you face the Oligarchy!
Freeze, Fake!
Only the Massa Bros are powerful.
You can always outmaneuver the off-balanced.
TMT, bro. Provided by Dimension Wars TV Network.
Do not forget the 2CE dudes. Crony came through.
Euphoria consumes my soul. You guys good?
You are the best nightmare of the Oligarchy.
We're just going to swap the DMT with Salvia.
We all need to focus. Everybody is after us.
I see you are becoming accustomed to our culture.
Why am I suddenly sweating?
A spontaneous media mechanism.
Listen to me. Pig Crony lied to us. He's using us.
For what, Big Seb? I demand you drop the heresy now!
Sark, Crony is playing you like guitar strings. You copy him, dude.
What?
I do not want to rely on restaurants to make all of my food.
Listen up, you fuck-ups! I'm the Nightmare! If you talk to me in that tone again, I swear, I'll get Pig Crony to fire your asses!
Yes, sir.
Sorry, man. I have accepted my fate.
You damn wannabes better learn from all of this!
I'm having a bad trip. Stop hurting my feelings, Sark Richter. Let's leave, Gil. This dude is crazy.
We told your parents about the drugs.